Hi everyone, thank you once again for joining us in this forum. In this conversation, we'll try to look at why invest, for instance. Why do you need to invest? Why should you make that decision? When you're investing, what are the key things that you look at? For instance, regulated markets is very key. I don't imagine losing my principal for a client who is 52 years old and wanting to do what we call capital protection, and the different options are giving that particular client does not fit the investment objective. At the end of the day, every investor has tailor-made needs. At the end of the day, there is a reason as to why you're investing. At Faida Investment Bank, we are very much interested into understanding what kind of a client is this. Why do they want to give us 10 million? What are they looking for? Are they looking for capital gains? Are they looking for liquidity? Are they looking for appreciation? Are they looking for cushioning their investment against inflation? Very key. So we sample every investor differently. The conversations I have cutting across from young people, medium-aged people, even the elderly. Each person has very unique needs, personal needs as to why they need to invest. So as an investor, what are the key things that you look at? From where I sit, regulatory is very critical. Is the institution that you want to invest with or in regulated by the different players in the market? We have the CBK, we have the IRA, which regulates insurance. We have the SASRA, regulating SACCOs. We have the CMA, regulating capital markets. We have the RBA. You could be wanting to secure a pension. You could be wanting to grow your capital. You could be wanting to buy into a company in terms of shares. So that information is accessible from different entities, different people, and regulated by different authorities. So as an investor, ensure that you have those websites at your fingertips. The IRA, CBK, CMA, SASRA, and RBA. They will guide you in the way you start your investment journey. Number two key thing that you need to do is to understand, are the products that are being offered, are the investment solutions that are being offered also regulated? Because it is very key. We've had scenarios where investors have actually looked at whether the institution is registered or regulated, but they didn't dig deeper. Is the solution that they are getting regulated? Because there is a danger there. As experts at Faida Investment Bank, we ensure that whatever we are releasing to our clients to solve different pain points. For instance, allow me to use the word gratification. You can buy and sell equities at the NSE as long as you know how to analyze the markets. You might be having medium goal or medium-term goals. Where are you investing in your treasury bills? We have that access to the market. For the last 30 years, we've been giving our investors access to these markets. Access to the NSE to buy and sell equities. Access to different securities that are offered by CBK, starting from treasury bonds, starting from infrastructure bonds, and other bonds that are available in the market. But if you look at all that, is that all? Are we giving enough to our investors? Are we leveraging on the different markets that are available? Is a Kenyan investor getting matching returns from an European investor out there? Are the different markets enough, as the NSE, for instance, or even the CBK securities that are there, that's the government securities, are they solid enough? Are they enough for an investor? Is your portfolio well balanced? And part of the reason as to why we are having that conversation is why you need to diversify. In diversification lies strength. Just the way we have so many tribes in Kenya, but in our diversification is our strength. We cannot fault one tribe over the other. We're not trying here to fault one asset class over the other. We're talking about the unity. We're talking about the diversification in your portfolio. Is it robust enough? Do you have different capacities? Different regions will have different rainfall amounts. Actually, some years back, we used to hear about the food basket for Africa, the food basket for Kenya. So how do we balance these different aspects of investment so that you secure your principal? Number two, you can access your principal with ease. Number three, you can also liquidate holistically both your principal and your return with a lot of ease. You don't have to tire. Don't look any further. Oak Special Fund is here to serve that purpose. Thank you for your viewership. Please reach out to us. You might be falling under this category. You have some pain points. The contacts on your screen will enable you to reach to us, and we'll work with you in this journey. Thank you for watching once again. My name is Titus Kimeu, Head of Sales, Global Markets Division, Faida Investment Bank, where the solution lies in the Oak Special Fund.